Hello everyone, I am Dr. Renuka Devi K, working as an Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Welcome to the series of lecture on numerical analysis. In this class, we'll study numerical solutions of first order linear differential equations in that Cauchy-Euler method. Numerical solutions of ordinary differential equations of order 1. Numerical methods for initial value problems. Consider the first order first degree differential equation in the form dy by dx equal to f of xy with the initial condition y of x naught equal to y naught. This way of finding y is called initial value problem. Cauchy-Euler method. Iterative formula for Cauchy-Euler method is yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h into f of x and yn, where n ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let us solve some problems using Cauchy-Euler method. First problem. Use Cauchy-Euler method to find an approximate value of y of 0.4 for the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y with y of 0 equal to 0 by taking h equal to 0.2. And the solution is as follows. It is given the differential equation is dy by dx equal to x plus y with y of 0 equal to 0. That means our x naught equal to 0 and y naught equal to 0. Also, it is given h equal to 0.2. That means our initial value is x naught, h is 0.2, that is x1, 0.2, 0. I should find till 0.4. Therefore, 0.4 and this is my x2. Finding y of 0.4 means that I should find up to y2. That is x1 equal to 0, x0 plus h will be equal to 0.2 and x2 equal to x1 plus h as my x1 is 0.2 plus 0.2 is 0.4. Iterative formula for Cauchy-Euler method is yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of x and yn, where n ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Substitute the h value on the differential equation, will get yn plus 1 equal to yn plus 0.2 into xn plus yn, where n ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let us substitute the n value. N equal to 0 will get y1 is equal to y0 plus 0.2 into x0 plus y0. As our x0 equal to 0, similarly y0 equal to 0. So we will get 0 plus 0 into 0.2 with 0 is 0. Therefore, y1 equal to 0. Put n equal to 1, we will get y2, that is equal to y1 plus 0.2 into x1 plus y1. Substitute the x1 value and y1 value here. x1 is 0.2 and y1 is 0. We'll get y2 as 0.04. Therefore, y of 0.4 is equal to y2 and that is nothing but 0.04. The next problem is use Cauchy-Euler method to find an approximate value of y of 0.5 for the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y minus x divided by y plus x with y of 0 equal to 0 by taking h equal to 0.1. The solution is, it is given dy by dx equal to The differential equation is y minus x by y plus x, and y of 0, that means x naught. This is our x naught equal to 0, and this is 1 is our y naught, and it is given h equal to 0.1. Let us find the step length here. Initial value is x naught equal to 0. X naught is 0, and step length, that is h equal to 0.1. So 0.1, that is x1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4, this is 0.5. That is x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. x1 equal to x naught plus h, 0.1. x2 equal to x1 plus h. That means 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.2. x3 equal to x2 plus h, 0.3. x4 equal to x3 plus h, 0.4. Similarly, x5 equal to 0.5. I should find up to 5 terms, that is y5. Iterative formula for Cauchy-Euler method is yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h into f of xn yn, where n ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let us substitute the h value as well. The differential equation here will get yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h is 0.1, and the differential equation is y minus x by y plus x. I can write this as yn minus xn divided by yn plus xn, where n ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Substitute, putting n equal to 0, will get y1, and that is equal to y naught plus 0.1 into y naught minus x naught divided by y naught plus x naught. Substitute the x naught value as well the y naught value, and then solve. Will get our y1 equal to 1.1. In the same way, put n equal to 1, will get y2, and that is equal to y1 plus 0.1 into y1 minus x1 divided by y1 plus x1, and that is equal to 1.183. Put n equal to 2, will get y3, and that is equal to y2 plus 0.1 into y2 minus x2 divided by y2 plus x2. That is, as we know the y2 value and x2 value, substitute one by one. Since our y2 is 1.183 plus 0.1 into y2 is 1.183 minus x2 is 0.2 divided by y2 is 1.183 plus 0.2. Solve using calculator. Will get our y3 as 1.254. Put n equal to 3, will get y4, and that is equal to y3 plus 0.1 into y3 minus x3 divided by y3 plus x3. Since our y3 is the previous value, y3 equal to 1.254 plus 0.1 into 1.254 minus x3 is 0.3 divided by 1.254 plus 0.3. Solve using calculator. Will get our y3 as 1.315. Putting n equal to 4, will get y5, which is the required value, and that is equal to y4 plus 0.1 into y4 minus x4 divided by y4 plus x4. Substitute all the values here. Y4 equal to 1.315 plus 0.1 into Y4 1.315 minus 0.4 divided by 1.315 plus 0.4. Solve using calculator. We'll get our Y5 as 1.368. Therefore, Y of 0.5 that equal to 1.368. The next problem is use Cauchy-Euler method to find an approximate value of y of 0.5 for the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y square with y of 0 equal to 1 by taking h equal to 0.1. And the solution is, it is given dy by dx equal to x plus y square with y of 0 equal to 1. That means x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 1. And it is given h equal to 0.1. Let us find the step length. As our initial value x naught is 0, x naught is 0, h is 0.1, h that is x1 is 0.1 and x2, x3, in a similar way x4 and x5, that is 0.3, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.5. So I should find up to y5, that is x1 equal to x0 plus h, that is equal to 0.1, x2 equal to x1 plus h 0.2, x3 equal to x2 plus h 0.3, x4 equal to x3 plus h, that is 0.4, and the last term is x5 equal to x4 plus h 0.5. Iterative formula for Cauchy-Euler method is yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h into f of x and yn, where n ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let us substitute the h value as well the differential equation here. We'll get yn plus 1 equal to yn plus 0.1 into xn plus yn square with n ranges from 0, 1, 2, let us substitute 3 the n and value so on. Putting n equal to 0, we'll get y1, that is equal to y0 plus 0.1 into x0 plus y0 square. As our x0 is 0 and our y0 is 1, after solving, we'll get our y1 equal to 1.1. Put n equal to 1, we'll get y2 equal to y1 plus 0.1 into x1 plus y1 square, and that is equal to, our y1 is 1.1 plus 0.1 into x1 is 0.1 plus y1 is 1.1 whole square. Solve using calculator. We'll get our y2 as 1.231. Put n equal to 2. We'll get y3 equal to y2 plus 0.1 into x2 plus y2 square. Solve in a similar way. We'll get y3 as 1.403. n equal to 3. We'll get y4 equal to y3 plus 0.1 into x3 plus y3 square. As our x3 is 0.3 and y3 just now we found, substitute everything and simplify. We'll get y3 equal to 1.630. Put n equal to 4. We'll get y5 and that is equal to y4 plus 0.1 into x4 plus y4 the whole square. Substitute all the values and simplify. We'll get y5 equal to 1.936. Therefore, y of 0.5 is equal to 1.936. Thank you.